Hello everyone, Brandon here with Motion Pro, bringing you the Trick new ProPlug sockets from Motion Pro. The ProPlug sockets are a very clever design. They're heavy tool steel construction for durability. They feature a slim skeleton design for hard to reach heads and cylinders, and they feature a really innovative retention system. This retention system is mechanical and it's not a rubber grommet, so you're never going to battle between the spark plug and the socket. So the socket is always going to be easy and firm to attach to the spark plug, but also it's going to be easy to remove. So you're not going to have to go fishing in those deep well heads to get that socket out. Now the socket features a couple of different drive components. You can use a 17 mil open end wrench, a 3/8 drive socket, as well as a through axle, right? So you've got a couple of different ways you can use this product. Now we have these available in 3 different sizes, and those 3 different sizes are 16, 18, and 21, available to fit most model motorcycles, V-twin as well as metric. Retail starts at $21.99 up to $22.99, available from your favorite retailer nationwide. Also available is Motion Pro stepped swivel socket. Step swivel socket features a 1/4 inch drive, a stepped 3/8 drive, which is a 2-step design, and this is a great accessory for any toolbox, but a really good addition for the ProPlug sockets. Very easy tool to use, a fixed design as well as a swivel design. $12.99 suggested retail. Get yours today. If you like this video and like to see more, make sure to subscribe to Motion Pro's YouTube channel right here.